So I've been in IT for over 20 years. And I can see that assumptions, how software is made and how software is interacting with the user have changed. And I will give you a few examples. One of them is in the past, we would assume that a person using network monitoring software is educated in the most popular technologies, scripts, languages, protocols, that they have at least some certificate like CCNA from Cisco or something similar. And the products were created in a way that you should understand what they are showing. You should understand why you are monitoring some things, why you are using some protocols, what are the limitations, what are the scenarios, and so on. And today we have to accept the situation that many people start using it, start working in the IT department, and they have just finished a few courses and they are not able to understand and know all the technologies because simply that's too much. They are so advanced, so complex, that some people say, okay, I like the operating systems, but don't talk to me about infrastructure. Or I like traffic monitoring. I like some devices, but I do not know anything about virtualization. And the products have to respond to such situation in a way that it is software's role to educate a person how to use it, how to implement it, what various settings in the software allow you to do or allow you to achieve. The other aspect that is connected to it is that people no longer read manuals. In the past, if something was working in a specific scenario only, you would simply describe it in the manual. Today, nobody's reading manual. So if the software should be used or some feature should be used in a specific scenario, the software should communicate it in the interface. Because if people cannot configure it, if people cannot use it, they will say, okay, the software is not working. And the third thing I think that is most obvious is that people no longer accept the cryptic error messages. So for example, you are monitoring some device and you receive an alert. There is an error message 3785000. And what is it? In the past, you would just, copy the error message and let's look in the browser. What does it mean? What should I do? Can I do anything about it? Today, people expect that the software will tell them, okay, there is an error related to insufficient memory. You should allocate more resources, at least this and this. So users expect the software to communicate to them in a clear way. So what the problem is about, and also suggest the solution. So I would say these are the just 3 examples of many things that have changed, and they all have to do with how we expect that the software interacts with the user. And I think we expect from modern software to work in this way.